when you add CCl4 on top of alcohol, the toxicity is heightened. This is as much a challenge as it is a lack of a model, right? Every model that we have tried in different labs, there's only two models that come close to recapitulating human disease in mice, and there's only one cell line that metabolizes ethanol, the HepG2 CYP2E1 cell line. So it is a significant limitation in the field, which I would ask you to get creative.
Yes, 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 sir.
It's a significant opportunity to try to do something new.
Yes, sir. Actually, we are trying to establish the new model with the secondary insult, and I also want to share with you one thing. And recently, we tried to establish a drug-induced liver injury model with the 5-fluorouracil. And for one study, we have used male animal, and another study we have used female Wister rats. Two different study, and in one animal, the NRF2 pathway is increasing in the induction, and the another set of instrument, the NRF2 pathway is decreasing, but we couldn't come to conclusion whether it is due to sexual difference and all. Yeah, so that we have to do the study again to prove that.
So I think you're highlighting the fundamental differences that exist between different models and the need to do very rigorous studies to try to understand the biological differences between a species, between males and females. And I'm not surprised by these results at all.
I just want to add one note to that. So it's actually an opportunity, like Dr. Malli said, to delineate the differences based on gender. Yeah.
Yes, we are trying, and also we found that it's not published yet. 5-fluorouracil induces steatosis only in female rats, not in male rats. And we found a lot of fat accumulation in female rats.
I would ask you again to ask, why are you doing these studies, right? Why do you need a second gen? Why do you need to administer a drug that leads to steatosis? What is the question you're answering? Not what are the differences in the models. And then select the best model to answer your scientific question.
Okay.
And like you said, there do exist double hit models for fat. Like you have
Yes.
fat plus CCl4.
No, it's by fibrosis.
Yeah.
Fibrosis has a steatosis.
Yeah,
in
but
all.
I don't know. I don't think there exists for alcohol. For alcohol, I think the intragastric feeding model is a good model.
No, actually, few papers are published with the secondary insult,
Yeah.
CCl4, but that have not been validated so far.
So I think you can do that.
Yes,
It's not
yes.
a bad idea.
Of course, thank you.
Okay, so to conclude, I would like to summarize that we have talked about the future of science for sure, using multi-omics approaches, different animal models. And yes, it is possible with good quality biobanking and with ethics involved in it. So now I would like to invite Pragyan for vote of thanks.
So I am very, very grateful to all four of you for making the time to initiate our first ever basic science workshop at INASL. And we hope that we'll be able to continue this. And thank you, all of you, for waking up on time and making it. And for all, yes, almost on time. And for the vibrant discussion that happened here. Thanks, everyone. Please, let's have a group photo for everyone.
Okay.
सब आ जाओ प्लीज एवरीबॉडी कम